Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you've received a redemption code for Mobile Legends Bang Bang and want to claim your rewards, then the process is quick and easy. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once it does, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, tap on Settings at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Redemption Code. On the next page, go ahead and enter the redemption code that has been received by you in the text box. After entering the code, click on OK, and you'll then be able to redeem your redemption code in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. After a successful redemption, open the Mobile Legends game again and check your game inbox or inventory for the rewards. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.